Hello, Q?
Q, yep.
Yeah, hi. I'm here for the seminar.
All right.
Well, where is everybody?
It's just me today.
Well, the Love Express is pretty much about how you're going to open yourself up to finding real love, real connectivity, and all the good stuff that goes along with that love and that connectivity. Trick is you bite your lip. Because when you're biting your lip, you can't talk. You know what she's going to be doing later that night?
What?
Anything you want.
How is that currently going for you?
It's working too good. I'm married to Deborah, but then there's Cynthia. You know, I was just at the Starbucks, and now she's pregnant.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Wow.
Man, you wouldn't believe how much this is costing me, being in love with three.